Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Chapter 7 Hand on Exercise 1 Simulation Training. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So assignment title is Excel Chapter 7 and on Exercise 1 Simulation Training. So we move to the main question number 1, and total question is question number 5. Insert the year function, insert F7 in the one date logic function, use the E7 for the serial numbers and so select the F7 and use the serial number. So type is equal to and select the E7 and press enter. So in here select the F7, type is equal to and type the year functions in cell E7 and press enter. Next is in cell G7 enter the year in E7 G2 to calculate the difference between implies higher date and in the date in cell G2. So select the G7 and next is G7 enter the year E7 G2 calculate the difference between implies higher date and the date in cell G2. Type is equal to and next is type the yearic function and select the cell E7, type comma in cell G2 and close bracket and press enter. Next is change the reference of G2 the yearic function to the mixed reference in G2. Change the reference to the G2 in the yearic function mixed reference. So type the F4, press F4 button, apply the absolute cell reference and press enter. Next is select the range F7 to G7, the range containing the year and yearic function and autofill to copy the function to the range F8 to G23 and select the fill without a formatting, preserve the formatting including the border. So select the F7 to G7 and press enter. So select the range and use the autofill to copy the function F8 to G23 and select the fill without a formatting, preserve the formatting including the border. So copy the function F8 to G23 and fill without a formatting. Fill without a formatting. So question number 1 is complete. We move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is so open the question number 2. Insert the weekday function in cell H7 to return the number representing days of the week and use the E7 to the serial number. So select the H7 and type is equal to type the weekday function and next is weekday function in cell H7 return the number representing the days of the week and use the E7 as the serial number argument. So select the E7, close bracket and press enter. With the I7, display the format cell dialog box and apply the custom number format with the DD. So select the I7 and go to the home tabs, go to the number groups and click the custom is DG. So select the general and click OK. Next is apply the align left to cell H7. So select the H7 and apply the align left. So go to the home tabs, go to the alignment groups and click the align left. Next is copy the function. Copy the function in cell H7 and paste the function in the range HJ to H22 23 using the paste number border option and then press escapes. So select the H7 and copy the function HJ to H23. Sorry, H7 to HJ to H23. Copy the function. Select the H7 and copy the function and HJ to H23 and use the paste number. So select the paste number, border section. Paste number border sections. So right clicks and click the paste option and select the H7, copy the function and paste the function in H7 to HJ to H23. Click the paste and click the no border and press escape button. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is insert the switch function in cell C7 that will look up the expression in cell B7 and switch as a cities for a region, and the function should be in cell C7. So select the C7, copy the functions and paste the function in cell C7 and press enter. Next is copy the function in cell C7 and paste the function in the range CA to C23 using the formula function and press escape button. So select the C7, press enter, copy the function and paste the function CA to C23 and paste the function and press escape button. So question number 3 is complete. So question number 4 is insert the if function in cell J7 to compare a higher date in cell E7 to see if the before and the date 1/1/2023 in cell J2 and multiply the salary I7 is 8% bonus rate in cell K2 in the logical test toolbox and compare the higher date C before the dates in cell J3. If the true, multiply salary in cell I7 and bonus rate in cell K7 in the logical test box compare the E7 before the multiply salary, and next is I7 is by 2% bonus rate in cell K force, and type the true test value and use the mixed reference J and K. The function should be, so copy the function and paste the function in cell J7. So select the J7 and paste the function and press enter. Copy the function Copy the function in cell J7 and paste the function in the range J2 J23. Paste formula option and press escape button. So copy the function and select the J2 J23 and paste the formula function. So select the paste the formula function and press escape button. So question number 4 is complete. We move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is, go to the case 7 and insert the if function with the nested function to display the due for raise for all manager who earn to salary less than minimum manager to salary located in cell G3, makes a reference NA and who does not fit the criteria, use the fill handle. So select the case 7 and select the case 7, type is equal to and type the if functions. So open the if function dialog box and logical test 1 is type the nested function to display the due for raise and managers who earn salary less than minimum manager salary located in cell G3 and makes a reference and NA anyone who does not fit the criteria. So select the type the and functions and select the D7, type is equal to and type the inverted commas. So type the managers and type inverted commas, type the comma and select the cell is I7 less than cell G3 and value of true is due for rare. And next is value of false is NA and click OK. Type the and functions and select the D7, type is equal to, type the inverted commas and type the managers. Manager and select the I7 I7 less than in G3. Select the G3, type the inverted commas and due for raise and type the comma and NA and click OK. type is equal to and type the if functions. Open the if function dialog box and type the and in cell G3 and type inverted commas, type due for raise and type inverted commas and type the N E and click OK. Next is use the fill handle to copy the function down, populating the rest of the raise status column and select fill out without the private formatting, preserve the existing formatting. So copy the function and fill without a formatting. So assignment is done. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.